Hello, hope everyone's alright, and I'm just going back to this Loco. I've took it out the box, stripped it all down, retrofitted it with a Plux Lock Sound 5, put it back together, and the body would not go on properly at all. And the reason being is on this chip you've got that area there which has risen up, this little circuitry board part, that rises up probably 3mm too much. And the body's down, and the body seesaws, it will not go down into the recess. And the reason being for that is this area here where it drops down interferes with the chip. Even with trying to modify the inside of the body, it will not go in. So I've had to retrofit a Plux 22 lock pilot non-sound version. So I was hoping it would go in okay, and it has. It's gone in fine. So to take this body off, you just very easily just manipulate the sides outwards and it just slides off. Really nice and easy. There's a Plux 22 lock pilot non-sound. The sound version of it, you can see it's a lot longer, and that raised circuit board makes the body impossible to go down unless you put a dedicated Zemo chip in there, which is made for this Loco. It's a shame really, because it sounded really good. I uploaded a sound file and everything, it sounded really nice. The speaker wires go down the side, and there's a sound chamber there where you can put various different types of speakers in. So I've just took the speaker out of there, put that back on, and that just clips back on nicely. That is for the power backup, negative and positive, which you can put on there. I'm not going to do that because I know this will run fine anyway on the layout. But if I wanted to, I could put a capacitor in there and that should be fine. So I'm going to put this all back together and just check the wiring. All the wiring's fine. I've pre-programmed the auxiliaries so the lighting works okay on this. So it's just a matter of just popping that back in. There we go, that's it. That is all good. The body's all nice at both ends. That's looking good, all fine, snow plows are alright. I'm not putting a figure in this Loco because the inside prism, the way the prisms are put together with the cab is extremely fine and accurate, and I don't want to disturb the prisms. The light prisms all integrated into the cab section, and I don't want to risk breaking the light prism, so I'm leaving it driverless at both ends. But that's it, that's all done.